What's up, guys? Welcome back, welcome back. My name is Gigi. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video, I brought you a clean with me challenge. I've seen a YouTuber did a 5 minutes challenge. I wanted to try it, so I'll be trying that today. Her name is Jessi Christine. I'll be tagging her in the description box if you want to check her page out. This is her channel. And so what she did was she just go around her house, tidy up so it's not too messy. She tidy up her house, each room for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna try that today. I'm gonna be doing my bedroom, bathroom, family room, living room, kitchen, and the breakfast nook area. So I'm gonna take 5 minutes to do each room. And the 5 minutes one, if it goes over, I'll let you guys know, but I'm gonna try this today. So I'm gonna start, as you can see, I'm gonna start with my bathroom first. All the places that I'm gonna do today are not that dirty, except for the family room and I think the kitchen, but we are going to try this and hopefully we get it done. I won't be doing my my kids' bedroom because we are doing some work in the room, so they are not, it's not set up or anything, so I won't be doing my kids' bedroom, but I'll be doing my room, my bathroom, the living room, family room, and kitchen. So if you want to see that, stay tuned and do not forget to check her channel out and see how she did hers.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
Okay, so the bathroom was a little failed, not completely, because I just needed to rinse the sink before I do that. But the bedroom was fine. I was done with everything. I had time to vacuum and everything, so that was good. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if that's your first time on this channel, subscribe, because I have tons of these kind of videos coming, okay? Stay tuned.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty.
Alright, so I'm done with the living room with 30 seconds to spare. So, yes, I'm not running out of time anymore. So there you go. I'm done with that. So we're gonna move on to the living room. To the kitchen.
I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it.
So as you guys can see, I did not make it in the kitchen, but I'm gonna give myself 5 more minutes in the kitchen because I am almost done. This is what I have left in the kitchen. So I'm gonna be cleaning up the countertop, and then I'm gonna finish. So I'm gonna give myself 5 more minutes to clean out the countertop, finish the kitchen, and then I figured it was gonna take me 10 minutes anyway because the kitchen had the dirty stuff, and then I did not empty out the dishwasher, so I had some clean stuff, so I ended up washing the dishes by hand, so that's why it was even longer. So if you're gonna do this challenge, make sure your dishwasher is clean, make sure all your clean products are close by, because in the living room I had to go get my broom and stuff, so that cut out some time, but I still had time to spare because this living room is always clean anyways. So the kitchen, I'm gonna finish the kitchen, and then I'm gonna do family room, and then 5 minutes cleaning out the table and the countertop. So stay tuned.
Maybe it's cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we stay here tonight, cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Start on repeat in my mind.
So as you can see, I ran out of time again, but it didn't take me that long because I was just gonna broom the floor. So I just ended up brooming the floor, and it probably took me like 30 seconds. So I went over like maybe, let's just say, a minute. So That's why I was showing you guys that I went over, and then I'll just finish brooming.
I knew that you were the one that I saw all the time. Can we stay here tonight? Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't come back. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget ya. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. You know that I don't wanna feel this way again. So let's pick up the pieces that we left unsaid. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget ya. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. Maybe it's cause we're young, got time and we're wasted. Got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we stay here tonight? Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget ya. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again.
Alright guys, so I am all done. This is the final look. I did my best to stay with the time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget before you leave to like, comment, let me know what you think about the video, and definitely subscribe, share the video with your friends and family, whoever you think that would be interested in this type of video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
So I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get